survey. I mean, it's a general group discussion about your psychology and some your views about anything, your views about families, how your views have changed from the past 10 years, and how you felt when you were a kid, when you were a teenager, and when you're, I mean, in this age. How do you feel in your family? Is your opinion more voiced than your sibling, blood sibling? Or, I mean, how do you feel your opinion is voiced?
Well, it all depends upon the age. If we are younger, then our opinions are not voiced well.
Yeah.
If we are the elder ones, then it's voiced well. And moreover, my parents will kind of go down professional, so they go the rational way. Mostly voice person is more rational.
Okay. Are you the younger one or the elder one?
I'm the youngest.
Okay, you're the youngest. Okay. And is there any boy-girl discrimination you feel in your family, or I mean in your distant family even?
Yeah, distant family.
Regarding what?
Regarding the education, I would say they don't allow girls to study after 25, 26, they force them into marriage. But for boys, it's not like that.
Since I belong to a village background, so there is a lot of discrimination between girls and boys regarding the education and things.
Yeah, right. And regarding your choices, your small choices, if you want to buy certain, for example, a dress, you want to buy so hard, so passionately you are into that dress, and in same way your brother also wants something of his choice. So do you feel that you would go any limit to get that dress or to get that thing for you, or you will compromise? You will compromise. Let's say for a two-wheeler, your brother wants a bike and you want an Activa at the same time. You both go to the college in the same year, and you both want a two-wheeler for oneself at the same time. So would you compromise then?
Yeah, I can. So I'll ask him to teach me bike that I can drive.
Sorry?
I'll ask him to. He also make me learn how to bike.
But it will be his. You'll not get to ride it.
So
It would not be that personal to you.
It's okay. I will share with him. He's mine, so his bike also.
So you not go against your family or against your parents, or you not come at a middle path, because Activa boys can also drive. You not come.
It depends on. Means he can also adjust with me. Means I can't say about him. If he get ready to buy Activa, I don't have any problem with him over Activa. But I also have a desire to drive a bike. So okay, different from me also.
Okay. Or any such situation where you felt out of your decision, out of the decision that is taken by your parents, for example, in your education, in your career, or for a simple dress, for example. I mean, have you ever felt rebellious? I mean, ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही.
Never felt rebellious, but there were some times like my parents asked me to get means they wanted me to choose medical as a career, but I never wanted to become a doctor. But since I like bio as well, so means they asked me to get both maths and bio in my 11th and 12th, so that means later on if you change your mind you can. But I was rebellious, I did not even try to get into that field.
When I wanted to take bio, but my father said no.
Okay. So parents have a very difficult role. In small things also, let's say a simple footwear or a simple dress, or anything which you are so attached to. Let's say a simple pink colored top you want, and your father doesn't like pink. So would you?
This is there a very bit discrimination is there on our clothes and all. So for us it's our choice. So parents have told.
Parents don't force us to change some clothes.
They like
They
mine.
don't wear very exclusive dresses, but color is not a problem.
My father is
Very into black.
most of what I wear is white, and he's very much into white, but he hates black. So when I was living with him, so I always chose white over black.
Okay. any other restrictions you face in any small term of your life?
Late night parties and
Late night parties are not allowed.
Late night chatting, late night chatting not allowed.
Okay.
too much talking on phone not allowed.
It's constrained. Limit to everything.
Okay. Or are you ever inspired by some TV show or some celebrity who had went out of the boundaries and you want to admire her and you want to become like her? Let's say hardcore, she's like a rap artist and she has ventured into a male dominant domain. So, I mean, have you ever felt like that?
She is considered a status
Pratigya. Okay.
She raised voice against the male dominant society.
Okay. Or you die hard follow that. Okay. And any other example that?
Whatever she speaks, whenever I listen to her, it's totally very rational, logical, and she's like me, totally against this gender bias. I just hate gender biasing everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And I have heard through her chat shows and all.
Okay.
Wherever she raises her voice, there's a point beneath it.
Okay. And any more views about gender bias? I mean, how has it changed? How do you feel your mother was exposed to gender discrimination, and at what level are you exposed to it?
Now I can talk to my mother and my father regarding this about my male friends. And beginning I'll talk about, means I have a family, we can talk about any topic, be it anything. But when she did not have this kind of relationship with her father. Her father gave her means proper education, whatever she wanted, she opted for science. But they cannot talk about these boys things to their father, or this makeup and all.
Okay.
Now she'll allow me to put a nail paint, but as she tells me, she told me her incident once that she grew her nails on her marriage, first time in her life, and her father, means my nana, he just caught a glimpse of them few days before her marriage, and he gazed at her in such a way that she had tears in her eyes, and the next day she cut them.
Okay.
Means my parents just asked me, they don't grow me, just I'll cut them in a day or two. I don't grow them too much. But it's not that kind of frustration that you right now.
Okay. Regarding your personal opinion, how do you feel is are you considered do you consider yourself to be equal to men, or you are above them, or you're below them? I mean, just a general view.
Considering equal to them means given class, it's just the studies which matters, it's the co-curricular which matters. And in this college, we don't have any discrimination of such sort. Of course, we have come into this college where the OP girls category ran, but still these things don't matter in our lives. But since I'm the youngest,
No, we are asking what do you personally feel that some girl can beat you but no boy can beat you, like that.
or in our environment,
It depends because like there's something which God has given them some strength, abilities. There is a fact that boys are much sharper than girls, but it doesn't mean that every boy is sharper than every girl. There will be some girls who will be sharper than a lot of boys. And similarly, in case of maturity, I feel girls are more mature than boys.